Assalamu alaikum, it's Dom. Today we're going to be talking about the beginner's CFOP method. We'll talk about OLL, which stands for Orient Last Layer, to turn the top layer into all yellow. First, we have to make a yellow cross. Yellow cross means we're going to have all of these edges on the side turn yellow. We're not so much worried about the corners, although yes, they can be solved. We'll have one of four cases. Either one, it's already going to be a cross like you see here, or you'll have a bar. Only two edges are done. Or you'll have only two edges done, but it'll form an arrow like this. Lastly, you could have none of your edges done, and you'll just have a dot, or maybe a dot and also one or two of the corners done as well. First, we'll talk about the case with the bar. What we'll do in this situation is we'll take the bar so it's horizontal. So you hold the top so it's like this, and to turn it into a cross you apply the following algorithm. Hold it so the bar is like this, and you do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. See, we have our yellow cross. The next case is, what if you have just an arrow? So two edges are done, and they're in the shape of like an arrow. You turn just the top layer so that the arrow is pointed up and to the left. You hold it like that, and we do the same as the algorithm as before, except this time we're going to do F, little f, which means both of these layers, the first layer and this middle layer inside. So we'll do little f, R, U, R prime, U prime, little f prime. There we go. Now we got our cross. Another case that you might have is you might have just a dot. None of the edges are done. The way to do this is you actually do the first algorithm plus the second algorithm. So we'll start with the first one. You can hold it in any direction that you want. It doesn't matter. So we're going to do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And as you can see, we have our arrow. We also have a corner, but that's okay. So we'll do the second algorithm, which is little f, R, U, R prime, U prime, little f prime. Now we got our cross. In this case, we have a couple corners done as well. That's okay. Now that we have our cross, we can move on to the last part of the OLL, which is to make the whole top yellow.